Addiction is life and death. There's no middle ground. You're either going to live or you're going to die. You're not going to stay somewhere unhealthy with addiction. There's going to be a turning point where that needle's going to go in the wrong arm with the wrong chemicals in it. And, this was really nailed home to us on Frank's birthday. That's the day we hired Colette. And that's infamous in our memory because Frank and I were walking into the entrance of Disneyland in California to celebrate his birthday. And there was a heroin addict laid out on the sidewalk. And everybody with their strollers was walking past him. He was dead. But we didn't know that. Frank was doing CPR while I was frantically calling an ambulance. And we finally could not get anybody there until I called Disneyland Hotel and said, all of your guests are walking past a guy who's dying. You might want to get out here and get an ambulance for us. And he was dead while Frank was doing CPR. And at that moment, we had been in business over a year, but we said, you know what, for the population we take, people with drug-related felonies, we need an employee. We need somebody to hover around the houses, to do urinalysis in the houses. We need somebody who can be there. And we talked to Colette, and Colette said, I've been dying to find a way to help you guys. She'd been living on her own for 3 months. And so we hired her. And so Colette's here sometimes at 7 a.m. She's here at midnight. When we have somebody who may have used drugs and gone a little bit haywire, Colette's there pounding on the bedroom door saying, I'm coming in.